I'm John Marshall, the CEO of Userful Corporation, and here at ISE, we are introducing Userful's visual networking platform. The concept of the platform is that we allow for a single software offering, all software, to be deployed across an entire enterprise, either with an on-prem server or on the data center or in the cloud, and it allows for an IT department to manage all of the visual display applications for the enterprise from a single platform and a single user interface. We start with the most difficult of these applications, namely those that are mission critical, like a command and control center, a network operations center, and it allows for the dynamic management of all the applications, whether it be digital metrics, digital signage, video, all of that can be managed centrally and dynamically. We then extend the applications beyond the mission critical ones to the business operation applications. That might be digital signage, that might be applications on the factory floor, and then we extend it even further, working with the employees and customers to enable interactivity through interactive displays, tablets, kiosks, and allow for touch control in addition to digital signage as well. The platform allows you to manage all of that through a single platform, a single technology, all brought to you by Userful. If you want to learn more, visit userful.com.